Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing dishes after cooking? Welcome to the cleanup revolution. Today, we'll explore how modern cookware makes this a thing of the past. In the fast-paced kitchen of 2026, having convenient cookware isn't just nice, it's essential. Forget the old struggles of hand washing. Now, high-quality materials mean you can go from gourmet meal to dishwasher in seconds. So, why choose low-maintenance cookware? First, it saves you significant time. No more post-dinner scrubbing. Dishwashers offer reliable cleaning with less damage than manual methods. When looking for cookware that lasts through countless washes, prioritize these features. 1. Choose 18/10 stainless steel or hard anodized aluminum for outstanding durability. 2. Understand the surface options between non-stick and stainless steel. 3. Find sets that are oven-safe, ideally up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, for flexibility. 4. Consider glass or stainless lids for easy monitoring and less moisture retention. 5. Look for ergonomic features, such as riveted handles, to ensure comfort and longevity. We've analyzed top Amazon cookware collections for you. First, try the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Set for its great performance and value. Next, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro is perfect for professionals. If you're budget conscious, the Rachel Ray Cucina offers affordable quality with style. To keep your cookware in peak condition, remember these tips. Load your dishwasher wisely to prevent chipping, use gentle detergents, avoid thermal shock, and select the right cycle. Don't settle for less in your kitchen. Invest in durable, low-maintenance cookware that frees up your time. Visit our recommendations to elevate your cooking experience today.